Hey guys, it's me Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I stretch out my wash and go. So this is what my hair looks like. This is the first day. So I did this wash and go probably about like 7 hours ago. So I let it air dry all day and everything is dry except for the roots. About like 1.5 inches to 2 inches is still quite wet. And sometimes like I will put a blow dryer to the roots and kind of stretch it out a bit, and but a lot of times I'll just kind of like leave it and it will probably dry by tomorrow. So I'm gonna take my hair in 4 sections. And I actually got this idea from Kaylin Ivy. She is another YouTuber that I follow. And I really liked her method because I noticed that not only did it stretch out my hair, it didn't leave a whole bunch of like bumps and stuff like that in my wash and go, because the banding method does not really work that well for me. I mean, it does stretch it out, but not that much, and it kind of just shrinks right back up anyways. And then I get so much like bumps and indentations or whatever you want to call it. It just really ruins like the curl pattern of my wash and go. And I noticed with this method it really doesn't. So this also will break the gel cast as well. So, because right now my hair is a little stiff, so I'm gonna kind of stretch out the hair and then I'm gonna twist it. I don't really think it matters which way you twist it. And I'm gonna kind of leave the ends like that. And I'm just gonna pin it up. So I'm gonna take like any clip and just pin it just like that. And for me, even after I stretch out my hair, I do feel like eventually it will just shrink back up anyways by the end of the day. So I basically will do this every night before I go to bed. So I might try this in like smaller sections next time, but I have tried it with the 4 sections, just kind of like how she did it, and I felt like it worked pretty well for me. I got at least a few inches, so that was really, really good. Another thing that I noticed too is that when I do like the raking method, it definitely stretches out my hair a lot more than the shingling method. And that's what I've noticed too, because like even the starting point right now, my hair is a lot longer than usual. If I do the shingling method, because it separates the curls so much, the curls just get tighter because they spring back up, because it's not weighing down like when you're clumping the curls together. And I just get a lot of shrinkage with the shingling method. So just even starting off with the raking method already gives me like another couple inches as well. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking these down and see what type of stretch I achieved. So as you can tell, it's literally past my shoulders, which is awesome, because literally you guys, like my goal is to just have my wash and go at least touch my shoulders once it's fully dried, because my shrinkage is just so real, you guys. So my roots are still a little damp, I'm not gonna lie, you guys. So I mean, it's definitely going to shrink up a bit more, but as you can see, the length is here. And I'll show you guys like what my hair looks like tomorrow when it's fully dried, just to kind of give you more of like the picture. So do you see how like my curls are still pretty intact? And like honestly, give it like another like 30 minutes once my hair actually settles in, and you're gonna see that everything, like any dents that you do see now, are gonna be fully gone. And my hair will get a bit more volume as well, but it definitely does like help break the gel cast, so my hair feels a lot softer. It's not even stiff or anything like that. But if I'm actually just gonna like wear my hair up like the whole week, I usually just put my hair like in a pineapple, like a really loose one with like a scrunchie, and I just tie it like once. And basically it does kind of elongate my hair a little bit as well. So this is it. Let me know, you guys, what works for you when you guys stretch out your hair. Let me know. I might try this with like more sections next time, but I just find that like 4 sections are like pretty easy. But yeah, it's really easy, really simple, and I really, really love it. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.